Hey yo, quality.
Wagwan. Greetings to all you wonderful fans across the world. On this day, like probably over 4 decades ago, 1979 to be precise, a great king was born. Of course, you know that's me. But cut a long story short, you know it's Friday and it's my birthday. I just want to big up you and all you wonderful people across the world. All you authentic fans who keep supporting Amaziyah The Great music, films and arts. At this moment in time, I want to tell you if you have not seen Easter Bun movie.
Jaybird, seriously, daddy?
How that come in, my lad?
You have to go find somebody to look after your pitney them.
I need a favor.
More the money you owe me.
Right now, your security man go down there, Lego, him a go Lego. And the girl don't got it like a piece of puppet already.
Nah, man, I don't see them thing out, man. How I go on?
Nah, let you nobody, man. I take no check.
We are going good still, but I only one lucky thing I see we go on. If I be my car, this is it.
Okay, my pussy never tell.
Is our man?
Who?
Is our man?
All type of mix up them come with that one mash up a relationship.
So you see what I tell me about?
You see, whenever this man come look for you and it reach down to the bedroom part, you better wear protection.
Ever since Miss Keisha jump in your life, a bag of things. She good enough, so.
Keisha love me. None of them can tell me nothing.
Better girl where you run back and you give your money.
You know me just get the money from the dummy.
What kind of business you say you're going?
You know, say some Easter Bun.
I mean, I just say you bun out the bun thing, my lad.
How are you here?
And the one Keisha got married in a dog. Love an edge, man.
Who you found?
That Jamaican film that we did over the Easter holidays, I suggest please go and go watch it now before watching this film. Searching for Keisha. This film that you're about to see, Searching for Keisha, is the part 2 for Easter Bun movie. And you know, it was shot by my kids, Aisha, Ajani, enough love, enough respect. My sister Quali-tee, and we have other assistants from people who are not so professional in the fields. And bear in mind, we had to do this film because it was well in demand. A lot of persons all over the world wanted to see a follow-up, so we had to do part 2. And we did it with absolutely no script whatsoever. So, just watch, enjoy, share, tell them precisely. See time of day now when the boy going to sleep. 9! Aisha?
Yes, daddy.
Oh, you go wake up your little brother and make him know say me call him. One night him there on phone and play game. Me and you not fear tell him the same thing over and over again. Oh no pick him up. Well, you're not so bad, but him fi hear. Go wake him up now and tell him say me call him.
So, daddy, every day me have to wash out she plate them, sir?
Youth, every day me have to work so. Me have to work to make sure take care of uno, go on food and all these things. So, do your chores.
So, daddy, you don't think a full thing you have to get a woman in your house? You can't bother if you do them work, you know.
Yes, sir. No. Wait, yo, don't make me forget about China, you. I feel like it's a laughing matter, this. Okay. Yo, let me tell yo, don't ever pass your place. You did talk about me forget woman in the, yo, when the woman come here, I'm more work for you. You have to compare like you feel like me a size or me a companion. Go wash the plate, man. Yo, go in and boy, I come past place, but say make sure say they forget woman in the house. Because him tired for 2 look a plate, them look a pit and not even want to watch up. You get me, they even understand what them are doing. You get what I say?
Daddy,
Yes.
what for dinner?
What for dinner? Same thing we cook every day.
Macaroni rice again? Daddy, today your birthday. Me don't want a macaroni rice.
Well, child, all I have to tell you is this. I only can cook where I can afford. Birthday or no birthday, it's just another day for me. I take things one step at a time. So at the end of the day, give thanks. Food is food. Officer.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Asleep, officer.
Sleep, woman. Can't be sleeping on this kind of day. You know, we're just here giving the Lord thanks. So, how can I help you this morning?
Officer, serious things are going right now. I'm stressed, my lad.
You talk to me, man. Tell me what's the matter. What's the problem?
Officer, you know, I'm searching for Keisha.
Keisha. What Keisha? Where is she from? How long has she been missing?
I can't find her. I don't know if them kidnap her or, you know, abduction things step up in our COVID time. I tell you, say, officer, I'm stressed. I can't eat, I can't sleep. I don't know how to find Keisha right now. So I want Uno to help me finding this nice, beautiful lady. I don't have no sniffer dog that can help sniff down the place because I don't know, you know, but I need to find Keisha.
Well, you sure Keisha not just tired of you and want some time to herself?
No, man. Keisha love me and I love her and we plan to get married and then I don't know what going on all of a sudden. Rumor girl and say this BMW boy and her did up her and I don't know what next. Boy, stress.
Yeah. So hold on. Have you tried to call her from her next phone?
I call her from my phone and I don't get her, you know, so I never try to call her with nobody else.
Alright, you want me able to feel? I don't really normally do this thing, you know, but try call her from this phone. You understand me?
Alright. So you said she that not answer my call?
We don't know what's the issue, you know, so just try it and see what.
Officer! How is it that me and dial Keisha number and I see her name flick up on your display?
Might be a wrong number you dial. Put in a wrong digit. You might not be putting a wrong digit, man. As a matter of fact,
come up?
No, as a matter of fact, I have serious police in to go on the road, so I'll get somebody to keep it here matter right now. Constable Roman Racer, come and deal with this gentleman from the police. That's serious.
Something else to say. I can't Keisha, answer the phone, please. Answer the phone, Keisha. Shanice. Wow.
Local police are seeking the assistance of the public to locate 30-year-old Keisha Brown. Brown was reported missing on Monday after what friends and family described as over a week of desperate attempts to contact her. She is described as 5 foot 3 inches tall, medium build, and of dark complexion. Brown was last seen at home and her mode of dress is currently unknown. Anyone with information on the whereabouts of Keisha Brown is asked to contact the nearest police station immediately.
Any which part you're there, I can find you. No, sir. And I kill them killer. But I promise you this. I can find you.
tonight. Yeah, me want to be put it on. I come strong, beat it like the drummer in a rough. Want it rough, breathe like her. Want it rough tonight. Yeah, me want to be put it on. I come strong, beat it like the drummer in a rough band.
Fear. Fear. You know me and great again, you know, fear. I wonder if you must sleep back. How am I?
Uncle Barry, Wagwan.
Jody, how you look at you hear that brother there? You know see it?
Why you know me don't know which part him there? I have to go check him around the yard.
Around the yard with the right now, you know, and door, and look from when we give my thing. And Easter done, and no, we can't get mine. Watch out, I'm calling phone and he not answer my phone. So I don't know where I deal with.
And them not pay the money yet?
Pay back what? No! Jody! Hear this now, man. Either you or your mother have to pay back that. You see what I deal with? I use what I believe in her. I'm investing in him. And Easter done. Look how long Easter done. And I can't get back mine. I want it.
Well, I don't know who want me to him. Well, I have to just contact him now because we're really and truly in the Wagwan with this.
boy. Me here on the road, you know, say my mad over one girl named Keisha. But here we go on. You see before him mad, I go one back my one. So I don't know what I do. So I'm going to set up on yourself. Either if you're mad and I don't get it, you know, have to give me.
I don't know, all it's going to go find the money they give me. I don't know where it's going to go. Oh, no. I have to go leave now. You have to just mix the song and just send it to money. Ready, yeah? Yeah, but I know them something that stress me out. I don't want my brother, you know. I don't want my brother.
I want a great one.
Oh, I'm there, you know, fire.
What's happening, brother? So what's happening? What's popping in?
Oh, me there, you know, me there, boy. I tell us some things that on my mind. Still, see me. Oh, yo, sorry about the whole altercation, you know, simple misunderstanding with me and the eye, see me, but...
Don't know. Take a big man to say sorry still, so them things that do happen. Yeah, man. See, whole thing a pop up on social media, you know.
Yeah, sad. You know, all the abduction are going on, why demand them to just stop them nonsense.
Now, if you worry, so still you can just go and whoop and pray. I feel like say, she out there, but she could not deal with somebody. Nothing bad, no good at door, but go and do your thing, whoop and pray, no. Prayer, nothing beat prayer.
Well, I don't know what going on, but I not stop.
You have to search for her still.
If you're on my call, I now get no access, I just voice messages, something I want, but I strongly believe that she's alive.
But gee,
all this abduction thing, I tell you, it's sad.
I wish I could have helped you search for her still, no.
Yeah.
John was a real friend. I hate to see her go through all of this. But just hope you find her still, you see me? I have a mission to go deal with, so I want of them things there.
I bless myself and take me on the road here. Sharon star Keisha. Mwah. Yo, me know you're not there. Whoever take you away, promise me I go find it. I go search down the whole place until I find it. All them I do wanna say love now fade away. Smile from you, girl, make my day. Do wanna say, tell them go away, cause them can't stop we no time, no day. Remember like yesterday when the mama used to cuss me. Say me look unscrupulous, plus she don't trust me. She said me now have a job on my lifestyle rusty. Boogie yaga music thing it now go bust me. Me smile for a while and say I want your lady. Like you don't realize how much your daughter rate me. Me know you hate and don't appreciate me. Too bad for you, she'll be having my baby.
Baby? I want to have your baby.
No, nobody. What they are dealing with, sister?
No,
everything good, everything good.
Everything good.
Yes, what?
Oh, yeah,
Nothing.
But let me see this.
I don't know nothing.
Give me this. Give me it.
Sister,
Oh, what is? I really Keisha this? We can't believe that either Keisha ya mad over.
Sister.
Me speak better from you, bro.
Sister, you see, she would even know, you know, she me feel like say.
The girl take it for your clown.
No, me tell her say them rob her, and right now, me feel like she's alive, cause she missing, and you know, me think them kidnap her. Me go down at the station, I mean, them say them do everything in them powers.
Whether them want kidnap her, kid rap her, any kid, whatever, me not care. She not deserve you.
Can't sell that.
Look for your clothes. All of your clothes wrong side. Where your color there? A madman your son?
No, I'm good.
No man, you don't look good. Let me feel you.
Like, listen me and Solomon, alright now. Listen me and say. Me think so she alright. Well, me think so them after them rob her, me feel like them kidnap her and them might try to get some money from me. But she not mean me no harm. She don't mean me no harm.
You serious?
Yes.
Well, you sure say me and your brother and sister?
Oh yeah, I said it.
Cause you have no sense. You there mad over one piece of girl? One piece of girl?
No man.
We don't want you.
Who tell us that she don't want me?
She don't want you. What else you want for ear if you know say the girl don't want you? You give her bun, she give her man the bun. You give her cheese, she give her man piece of the cheese.
Rumor.
God forbid it. So I'm going with your Uncle Barry. Him call me today a studio media record and him gonna call me and tell me say you owe him the money and all when he can't get to you.
Good.
And what you mean by the man good? You need to give the money money.
The money get bun up in a bun.
I really bun, you get bun up in a, you good in a, you need to go worry to for your money. Anyways, you need to go beard. And matter of fact, is it your birthday, Wallis? It's $1 here.
Thanks.
Go and go trim your ear. And make sure you not save them for you either Keisha because the girl don't want you. She's not here. And take her away and gone, okay? God go with you.
She's alive. Damn sister! So me fear for go look for Keisha.
Yo, my girl, we really are doing it. You know, say 17 times now I call the phone and a beat voicemail me I get. Channel star, all your mother and your sister them walk call up my name, tell them follow me thing in a beat.
Keisha!
Your friend them all a call, just feed and a sign say you star or record for the rhythm. Because my music them not gonna win. I beer things on a beat, yo.
I look for a girl named Keisha in the CR.
The one that say love not fade away. Smile from you, girl, make my day. The one that say, tell them go away. Them can't stop this, no time, no day. The one that say love not fade away. Smile from you, girl, make my day. The one that say, tell them go away. Them can't stop, we no time, no day. Remember like yesterday when a mama used to cuss me. So me look unscrupulous, look, she don't trust me. So me never drop on my lifestyle rusty. Boogo yaga music thing, it nah go bust me. Smile for a while, say you what do you lady. Like you don't realize how much your daughter rate me. Me know say you hate and don't appreciate me. So bad for you, she be having my baby. The one that say love not fade away. Smile from you, girl, make my day. The one that say, tell them go away. Them can't stop this, no time, no day. The one that say love not fade away. Smile from you, girl, make my day. The one that say, tell them go away. Them can't stop, we no time, no day. Someone sit on a watch, them a cheat on a chat. But we them can't stop, me love you non-stop. All the way to the top, we keep moving on, now we not look back. We are come from too far for them spar relation. Envious and covetous, me know them not rate man. Spreading rumors about me, spoiling my reputation. Just be don't tell me, hold up for meditation. Hey baby girl.
She like man jail. She beautiful.
No man, me not feel like she laughing with no man, brother. Me feel like she just a cool down.
Yes, I can't walk one. We got the walk one. Corona sitting here, rare. Yeah, all them things involved to people need men's and space.
Fireball, me I go and search.
Go and search. Never give up.
Bless it.
Never.
Me I go and search.
Yeah, man. Let's go and hold. You're fine now,
Yeah, man.
I hope that. Yes, Georgie. You let me know when you find her, you know. Yeah.
Keisha! Papa, oh, I go on. Yeah, look for you, no. I don't know, sir. Keisha, me I look for still, you know, see Keisha, but it's look for the place you face here, no? Star. Keisha, me still a look for her. Me no feel like she dead, and me feel like me can't find her, so me search.
Keisha?
Yeah.
Banana walk.
Then
maybe banana walk in a she.
Yeah, you know banana walk. What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that, family?
Because you're searching at the banana walk. So you still a search and a spin and a look for Keisha?
Me a look.
Keisha now go do this, sir.
Sister-in-law.
Oh my God, sister-in-law, I'm not even like him.
You see Keisha?
We ask him for Keisha for.
Then you're not Keisha's sister, you don't know, so she miss none and she may there look for about the place, me I look and I can't even find her.
Maybe you take with Keisha hide or somewhere you ask for Keisha. You walk up and down and look for Keisha for, we must find out what do Keisha, you know. Because I know so you have something to do with Keisha.
What do you mean by that?
From the gate, man. From the gate, you boy.
Oh, you come and talk about me, go to take
from the gate, man,
no,
and you have something to do with her, man. Move from there, come dash water for you. Move!
How are you?
How are you going, youth? Youth, how are you doing?
Look up for me.
How are you doing, youth? No violence against women, youth. How are you doing, youth? Youth, how are you doing? Yo, right 2 stone there. Hold boy there, hold a boy there, dog. Hold a boy there. That boy, violate you, man. Boy, how are you doing? You hear some no violence against women, hey boy, know what you doing, hey boy. Dog, I walk on. Dog, you see a violation go on, my friend. No, dog, you want me here in the dog. Dog, and this boy I try to violate the woman, friend. Okay, that's like no violence against woman, dog. That don't go on power ground. You hear me tell you? Wait till the whole of boy, my friend. You put the whole of boy? No, dog. I will run.
Barry! I went there. Yeah. Barry, you know, say, me have to run left me 2 breadfruit them on fire. Just to come see you. Kawa, me daughter call me and tell me, say, you disturb her in a studio, call her and tell her, say, you want hurt my son, which is your nephew, my son Craig. And why you want hurt Craig? How will Craig do you? He married?
My sister, don't worry yourself, man. We don't come here to hurt people, man. But yeah, no. I lend my nephew $50,000. Say he want to go in a bun business. But I take him as a serious man. I never know say a fun thing him depend. Because what's now, no? Easter come on, Easter gone, Easter done. And bun still around. I don't know what go on. But you don't know what go on. You want my money, you know?
You really mean to tell me, say, you done hurt your nephew for $50,000, Barry? a matter of fact, you is a man me always hear you say, you no love work and you will never work. So, tell me something. How will you get $50,000 from? Barry, how will you get $50,000 from? Mine a chop for the money there, you know. Mine a chopper, you know. Me say if I chop in, so don't forget money.
No, man, looking at my garden. Me have to chop, you know. Because you say if me not chop, my garden nah go survive.
Barry, more you top worry my brains. Top worry my brains. Because you know exactly what me are talking
Alright,
about.
you see me now, me not chopper, me a hustler. Me hustle everything. You see my garden when it ready, it pay me.
Barry, you never remember say a Craig birthday today. Eh, Barry?
Yeah.
As a matter of fact, are you nephew? You can't just left him with a little $50,000, man. Left him with you and go chop some more, forget more. I'm birthday, I can just nice up himself with him, man.
I'm good on birthday or him birthday. You see if my money not run today gonna be his birthday. As a matter of fact, I got them birthday. You know what go on? Also me I go hustle, you know.
See you know? Barry! Barry!
Walk one, Jenna.
Yeah, you know.
I got a long way.
So I'm not pull up the road and going like, yo, Jano.
Yo, how you look so dog? How you wet up so dan?
Sweat, man, I sweat, bro.
Okay, and look so.
Sweat.
That's cool now, my GFU says so, you know that. Buy me something for drink. Come here, so when you have money, I'll treat you years to come for them girl, the dog.
That's where you go on, man. Oh, okay, my love. Yo, where are you?
Give me when I pants it, man.
Pants it, man.
Just go in and shop out for pants it, man.
Alright, let's see, alright.
Yeah, I mean that, man. Them girl, they are joker, dog. I feel low them girl, like.
When I live in Mr. Look here, man.
Keisha no want nothing.
So you know say, watch out now. After I go so, and I pass through black and I see the one Keisha sister, my lad. And me I say, yo, you don't see Keisha. You don't know, say she make it look like say me are the reason why Keisha got missed.
Keisha, bother with them there. Daddy man, me think you're done with them, the girl.
No man, me been searching for Keisha, my lad. Me still a search for her because yo, me know say she dey about see me.
What? So you hope on them, the girl that
So watch her now, after I go so now, bam! And me ask her a question and she start flipping and hype up and me see all the boy NST them and some little man around dozen of them, my lad, rush out for me.
Yeah.
And I want to tell her say me have to just move to two stone and rock toward them and just take with myself.
Oh, you mean?
Yeah, man.
Oh, you mean?
Think they can come violate man in our girl.
Them boy, they are busy, man. You can wrap them up in a one blow, man. You know that already. You know you are general, you know, daddy. And give thanks to your pants there where you buy, man, you know. Because some girl trust me, them already. All the boy, man, across. He shouldn't violate you, you know, me dream. Shouldn't, man, trust me, and him too close with that dad.
Across. Yo. Mine, man. I want to tell you still in that God when we go in. Yo, when I run in from the block, I never ask no question.
Yeah.
I just see when I start put a beer lick, a beer fist, beer kick.
So we deal with this.
Yeah, man. But me and him good still. You
All
see
right.
me and him govern, man. Everything balance back. I hold a reason. You know we govern right now.
I don't know you're a good youth, man. You're general, you know, man. You're a real G, you know, daddy. Get that kind of girl. You know what you mean, mama? Look for you, man.
Yes, sir, baby, can't manage. Pull up there now.
Yeah, man.
And the back of
Serious
face,
tired
sharp
too.
and
Just
better,
cool na fire, man.
Zaya, how you doing?
man.
We have a new tune and we want to voice on the first round children and mad, you know.
Yeah.
Rebel part 2, man.
Oh, you mean,
Right, man. That's one
See
thing.
the rebel, yeah. See the rebel, yeah. A bad tune, man.
Yeah, man.
Rebel badness, me bad for your cause. Break rules, break no flaws. After me badness, no come with no flaws. Guys said them bad, the girl beat them with draws.
I hear that man, them man.
Just
I
fool,
hear that,
man.
man.
Fool,
Something
boy,
true.
them. A fool, boy, them. They the rasta, what I say.
Yeah.
And them boy, the way I talk about that.
Yeah,
right.
man, if a man up then.
How I say, man?
Yeah.
Man, say the real bad man.
No man, no for me, no girl club.
I'm gonna lock down and sitting and knock down sitting, you know. You know,
Well,
no
say
kind
I
down.
can
Give me a
strap
pack
down
of sitting, no.
Then you don't know, say I want me did have my general and me just use it, dog.
Oh, yeah,
you know how I go.
Say you're more.
Yeah, man, linkage G, man, and see.
Yeah, so you know them sitting there.
You talk about booze.
Me have one pack now.
No, one me having a car, you know, say me have around 7 pack and all of them done since.
I say you're more, man.
Yeah,
see that pain.
And I like, yo, and I like one time,
yeah.
when me did have a look at one beer and you don't know, say, a look at misunderstanding going, but you don't know.
Say I'm hard.
Oh yes, man, we don't run for the road, man.
And a lockdown time now, you know, so you have to knock down, you know.
Yes,
Strap and lock down.
No, back down. We don't top now. And we not drop down.
Bam, bam.
Yeah, man. Them can't go back now.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Yes, sir.
I agree with one of them, man.
Yes, man. So big up yourself, you know, we're glad for you, so we're there
for
a
reason. Man,
so go and
just just call them a dream, man, and do your business, man. You hear that?
Rasta them, my lad. Him not have no girl.
Oh, yes, man.
I'm going to give him with that.
Alright, if you see so.
But on a level still, you know, God, I go look for one kid. I mean, I go look for something for you.
That's call her, daddy. Big up yourself, man. Big up your thing. You hear that?
Yeah.
Shanice, man, still a search with Keisha, you know. Me have to go pray for that boy, but me I tell you that, daddy.
Yeah, man, start. Push Keisha, one. Can't believe that she gone all. No, me don't know how to.
My arms are your rightful place, so come and get your warm embrace. Me take time to pull off your lace. My loving is amazing grace. Oh girl, my arms are your rightful place, so come and get your warm embrace. Me take time to pull off your lace. My loving is amazing grace. Girl, relax in on me arms. Me give you all my charms. I will be the man to keep your body so warm. I can perform from night till the morning. Go on and on and on. Step by step we a go climb go up the ladder. Cuddle one another like birds flock together. You loving me, me loving you. My arms make you warm like sweater. No one to take your place. I love looking in your beautiful face. Sweet.
You know me like that song they do.
Yeah, you write it fine, Keisha.
Me like it. Me go freshen up now, yeah? But remember, see, you can't make nobody know some me there, you know.
Hey, mother never do a thing like that. After all, you're still missing, so you don't know nothing.
Alright, make sure.
Yeah,
Yo, Marcus! Yo! Marcus!
Yo, how that, Greg? Greg, are you there?
Yo, Marcus, we are dealing with fireball.
Rotted. Greg, I forgot to text man telling some there yard.
Yeah, it is there, man.
Yo, fireball! Watch ya! Look how this!
Keisha takes you.
The search is over, God and some prayer.
You're fine, are you know?
Yes, she there on me yard. She there on me yard. Yo, look for more.
Alright.
Great, youth. Great, youth. Where are you going with?
Yeah.
I want to bed, in our work again.
Yeah, deal, uncle.
In bed, in our work again?
Yeah, I'm tired, man. Me there think about the youth, them must stress me out.
The Rasta, you're curious, the youth, they must stress you.
Then, why is you stress me, uncle? Nothing not stress me else. I just see you with them, man. The boy Ajani a passing place, but the man for look a plate, the man for deal with the dishes them in the house, the man tell me, say, me forget woman in the house. How you feel like? You know what? Nothing wrong with what I'm saying now.
No.
Getting a woman in the house is good.
Yeah, boy, right.
But at the same time, you talk to me them way, them, man. I don't know what's wrong with them.
Well, that's true, you know, but I still know that me depend, you know. And my little thing me talk about, you know. What I say about it?
Oh, You know, say 50.
Yeah, man, I 50 thing me the pants anyway, man.
Yeah.
Remember, say you tell me, say you give me a little thing for anything.
Uncle, you soon get your money.
Alright, you are
watch out, uncle.
Alright.
You see, sometime in a life when you plan to make a thing turn over and it not turn over the right way if it turn over, I just one of that something there, but I guarantee you, say, you are going to get back your money.
You see, to me, I hear things on the street. Yeah?
Yeah, your uncle.
Me hear so the thing turn over, you know?
Yeah, I mean. What?
That one.
Where you talk about?
Me hear,
Where
you say, me hear on the street. So the thing turn over.
You go on the street, you go hear a whole heap of things on the street, my lord. Remember me tell us in the street, I see them, so them did a talk about things about a year before last and watch that. Everything where them say for you. Not believing in nothing on the street.
But pray this now. Me and your mother just done reason, you know. And from me left, me says.
So hold on now, hold on.
Yeah.
You gone to mama with the argument. Me then they expect you when me can link your mama not doing nothing about me and deal with it, my lord.
That's true, but your mama's son. And you see, to all my anger that ride me, if me hurt you, mommy I go even hurt more
What
than
hurt coming on this general? Talk about something we never understand right now.
Rasta, hear this now. We don't want to hurt nobody and we don't want nobody get hurt. So me just want you make me know when me I go get it.
Yeah, I get your money because I don't know what kind of style thing you come and say within a general.
No, I'm not style, but watch I know. Me tell you from day one, say me see as a youth with potential. That's why I go there from the first time, you know. Me no feel some more invest in you again. Because watch I know. And at the first me I try to invest and me not see no progress.
Mistake make enough things go on.
Yes, but watch I know. You sure say that girl didn't poison you?
What do you mean? What about? Which girl?
I don't know, because as me I say, me hear on the street rumors. Someone know.
First thing, yo, hear me say, my lord. Me no eat from anybody.
Well, you better make sure. You know?
Me no eat from people, my lord. Don't make it
sure.
Just go and eat from girl. How I'm taking.
Well, make sure.
Now, some of my people and grow me, you know, so.
Make sure, because as me I say, me see your thing a turn down. And watch I know. I'm willing to invest in something big with you, but watch I know. You see, any investment me I make right now, you say buy you a ticket and send you off to America. Because you see that line here, it come like something wrong. You get a drag back.
Me respect. We all up on the journey.
Yeah.
I rate how you believe in me.
Yeah.
Enough time I wish. Enough of my family that believe in me and still in. But I give thanks for the offer that you see it. I really respect and rate that and let me tell you. I'm not going to let you down. I'm going to make sure say you get back every cent, every dollar.
Pray this.
You get what I say?
You see, when it comes to let down, and me I let down, you know. You're going to let down. You don't have to let me down, brother. You're going to let down yourself. So you see, as long as you uplift yourself, me rise. You get what I deal with?
Give thanks. See? I go all asleep. When I come around the road and I see one named Keisha.
Keisha, you've gone back on that again.
I mean, no, more.
The my lad. Mommy.
Forget about me, forget about me, say. Melissa, me ask about. Melissa, slip me sleep. I sleep with Melissa.
You start where sleep now?
No, man, Melissa, me
you start where sleep now? Oh, you have to sleep, my lad. Hear this now. I tell you, say, me hear rumors on the street. Me no want you go back. Me not go back there, so we hear enough. You're gone. Alright, you're gone now, man.
Yeah, man, so Uncle B. The ticket something there, everything go on.
Yeah, my lad, you see the ticket, that is a must. We must have to fly the house. You can't make us stay here, alright? Now, make us stay here, I'm a match up. Have to move here. Yes.
Yo, I said the uncle that believe in me from ever since. Yeah, man. But a serious level. I could even tell him and say, enough time Keisha cook stew peas give me, John or stew peas there. Nice! But, yeah man, it's a good move, but I like the sound there.
Hey yo, quality.
Yo, great one. Come here, version. What I go on? Yeah, man.
That's right. So now go make them hear with sound.
John Rasta. You know, see, I make sure what I say forward for my block. Because, John, whoa. You right so far, because I want it.
Yeah, Sharon good again?
You know, say we're not good, but she's a power price in it, so you know I heard strong.
Yeah, I heard strong, happy heard strong, more life here, my king.
So look at most still.
So I don't know, say, me have 450. I'm on 50 that make up for me 5 days to go buy some ghost. Yeah, you don't know anything, man. Me have the summer, but not now. I'm not get paid yet. Yes, Rasta. Bless up, you see me?
We're there on a move.
Aye.
Nobody's on a right mood. Attitude. Show a little gratitude.
Gratitude.
Happy mood.
Happy mood.
Because we find happy groove.
Happy groove.
Nobody's on a right mood.
Attitude.
Craig?
Turn up the volume, I'ma start one way. Me in a happy mood with a breath
What?
my face. If the pretty watch me tell them up on me space. Independent like me, paying no time to
Yeah, like, birthday.
Happy birthday, Craig. Whoa. Wow.
Happy birthday.
Thank you so much, Shan.
You're welcome.
You're my ex-boy, you're the best.
Yeah, but I hope you know. Yeah.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
So what you never get?
One wine. Yeah, I'm going to wine for you.
Your wine? A wine for your mind? Wine in your mind?
Wine. Birthday cake and wine all the time.
Skillers!
That's what he said.
Wow, only you. Only you. Rum and rich chocolate from Shrimpster. Very thanks. Thanks, because you know me there, nobody else remember me. Yeah, so John Star.
So, you know what I said, like, that little thing that we have a moment for, like, kind of sort it out for you. Won't not get too drunk and I get too
You feel happy?
Yeah.
Whoa.
No bother with that, no bother with that.
Thanks.
You're welcome, sir. And, but anyway, I can't stay. No, just come to drop off.
You can't just...
Tell me and tell you.
Say that you want to stay and enjoy peace like here.
Watch my weight.
Just a little bit.
I don't know. I feel like a couple of
Nothing wrong with that, man. Nothing wrong with that.
Nothing take too long.
And no, you know me not take long. And thanks. At least give me a...
Alright. Happy birthday, sir. Happy birthday.
Give thanks. Hold on. May I forgot. May I get a candle?
So you did kidnap birthday party since I recently when you have candle?
No, I didn't keep my birthday party, but at the same time, you don't know, candle there, candle. We don't have to have birthday. We don't have to have birthday, candle. Candle.
Well, that makes sense.
Candle. You can't just go with so. You can't just come and just go with so that you go and enjoy peace and with care. No, man, sit down now, you know, if you don't hurry. You can't have a seat.
Sitting down.
No, just have a seat, man. Have a seat. I'll give you a piece of it. The picture they're not there.
So, when they did my birthday, my take everybody.
Well, you know, my sister take them out, quali-tee. So, I will leave for them peace, and they shall enjoy. I'm not table, so I wanted to something that I can go on for the bed. Candle.
Whatever work.
This not gonna work. How are you talk about?
Olivia said it can't work.
You have...
Here, cake.
You have a lighter? That's more.
I have lighter, that don't mean me I walk with the one good away there, see them? Trying some good.
I like it, man. See, I'm gonna sing me happy birthday.
No, I'm not doing something.
Nothing wrong with that, you can't sing happy birthday song. What go first? The tango blow or?
Alright, we're not singing happy birthday.
No, me and sing.
We cannot. Why you want me all of them?
Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me.
Hooray.
You make a wish?
Yeah, you can do that if you feel like it. Yay! We're going to now cut it. Cut it and give me. Let me come here. Can you don't hype me up already?
So, you're not tasting none of the wine?
Too good.
You don't want wine?
No.
I mean, you don't want some of the wine? Just a little bit.
You love tell me about just a little
bit. Stick it. That's why I mean, stick it in the middle. Huh?
Tell me no. Yeah, right.
Stick it on the edge.
Anyway you want to stick it right there.
So you want to stick it in
right
here?
Right there, right.
Well, you know this bring back memories when we did together. Yeah, sometimes I don't know why I listen to people and follow yours, eh? But life depends on when we live together.
Brother, don't try me. I'm not the one. Don't tell me about my listen to no party, but don't start. Alright, there, birthday, it's treatments.
Okay. Why?
You know some shouldn't just be a cake and just come back right away. No. I don't know where you try, but whatever you think about, no. Well, just in case.
Nothing but nothing.
Just in case.
Cheers. You're good? Like it?
Can go on.
Feel like say me a go, I'm war in this year. You try to open the door.
Yeah, people, I hate that. I want to take the time out to big up my people, them nation, Ajani, who always believe in that day. And you don't know, thank you, the fans, because you know, make this possible. I'm want to enough respect and big up. You get to me and say, big up to the fans them all across the world who believe in what we are dealing with. You get to me and say, we'll never stop. If you don't want to see part 3, just continue to watch, like, comment, share, and make the world see to hear that. So, big up Jill Murray, the whole Murray family, Kier family, Kizzy Kiz, and the whole Malikis party supplies. Big up, enough respect. Thanks for all of the people who believe in what we are doing, and just keep sharing this across the world.
Yo, my girl, we really are doing it. You know, say 17 times now I call the phone and a beat voicemail I get. Shanice, all your mother and your sister, them walk call up my name, tell them follow me thing in a beat. Your friend them all call just feed and I tell him, say, yo, don't make me record for the rhythm. Because my music, them not gonna wait. I beer things on a beat, yo, sure.
All them they wanna say love not fade away. Smile from you, girl, make my day. They wanna say, tell them go away. Them can't stop this, no time, no day. They wanna say love not fade away. Smile from you, girl, make my day. They wanna say, tell them go away. Them can't stop, we no time, no day. Remember like yesterday when the mama used to call trust me. Some look unscrupulous, look, she don't trust me. Some me not go drop on my lifestyle.